Are you trying to squeeze more mileage and smoother starts from your diesel engine, but not sure which diesel fuel additive actually helps? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, I'm going to be going over the best diesel fuel additive that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Hotshot Secret EDT. From the moment you uncap the bottle, you sense a purpose-driven formulation aimed at daily diesel users seeking cleaner combustion. It feels like a compact, purpose-built additive designed to fit into standard fuel systems without requiring additional equipment. The target audience appears to be fleet operators and individual truck owners who value throttle response and injector cleanliness. Its container uses a sturdy, opaque bottle with a child-resistant cap, signaling proper safety packaging for diesel environments. The dimensions are compact enough to store under seats or in tight engine bays without adding noticeable bulk. Ergonomic labeling communicates usage guidelines clearly, and the cap threads feel smooth, indicating quality control during manufacturing process. The EDT claims a high concentrate formula with stable viscosity, reducing fuel thinning at high temperatures and preventing premature injector wear. It also includes cetane-improving compounds that boost combustion efficiency and reduce sulfurous emissions during idle and full load. The product is compatible with modern diesel engines and older setups, offering blend stability across a wide range of fuel quality. In independent trials, Hotshot Secret EDT delivered smoother idle and better fuel economy than standardized diesel fuel additive in older engines. Field testing on a freight route showed a measurable reduction in particulate matter after several thousand miles, indicating cleaner combustion. Compared directly to a leading competitor, Hotshot Secret EDT delivered notably smoother throttle response and more stable idling under load. The pros include improved engine cleanliness, easier cold starts, and quieter idle operation after consistent use across several weeks. The cons include a higher price compared to basic additives and the need for more frequent top-ups in severe duty cycles. At number 4, we have the Hotshot Secret HSSED01G, a diesel fuel additive engineered to boost cetane and clean injectors. Initial impressions reveal a compact bottle with a clear label and broad appeal to fleet managers and diesel enthusiasts. This product targets owners seeking cleaner combustion, improved engine responsiveness, and fewer visits to the injector shop, particularly in high-mileage rigs. It also appeals to performance tuners who want an additive that integrates easily with existing fueling routines. Build quality feels sturdy with a robust container and secure cap that inspires confidence during transport and storage. Design focuses on practicality, using a moderate 12-ounce bottle size and clear dosage indicators for repeatable results. Dimensions are compact enough to fit in standard toolboxes or trunk organizers without obstructing other essential supplies. Technically, HSSED01G claims detergency, cetane improvement, and soot reduction through advanced polyethylamine chemistry and targeted detergents. Its formulation purportedly maintains lubricity at higher concentrations, protecting fuel injectors during cold starts and heavy-duty operation. The product is compatible with up to 2,000 parts per million sulfur fuels, expanding its utility across regional diesel formulations. In real-world testing, users reported smoother idling and modest fuel economy gains after several tanks, particularly on older diesel platforms. There were also minor improvements in cold start reliability when ambient temperatures were low, enhancing engine responsiveness. Compared to a rival additive, Hotshot Secret HSSED01G demonstrated better injector cleanliness under sustained high-load conditions. The pros include cleaner fuel system, measurable cetane boost, and good value for money. The cons include higher price and longer refill interval. At number 3, we have the Archoil AR6400 D. From the moment you pour it, the AR6400 D signals its diesel-focused purpose with a clear, scientifically backed formulation. Packaging is straightforward and durable, enabling quick storage and spill resistance, which matters during field topping off under demanding conditions. The design prioritizes compatibility with standard diesel systems, featuring a compact bottle shape that fits neatly in a toolbox without obstructing other tools. The bottle measures roughly 6 by 2 by 2 inches, delivering practical handling and minimal space usage on a shelf. The cap and nozzle assembly are robust, providing controlled flow and preventing drips during refills on uneven surfaces. AR6400D is formulated with a multi-precipitation inhibitor package that targets injector cleanliness, fuel economy, and lubricity under high pressure. It also claims to stabilize cetane performance and reduce particulate matter formation, improving cold start behavior and overall combustion efficiency. In practice, drivers report smoother idling and quieter operation after several fill cycles, indicating improved lubrication at startup. Independent testing demonstrates a measurable reduction in fuel wash and a notable improvement in engine responsiveness under high-load conditions. In trip tests, customers cite easier cold starts and consistent performance across altitudes, showing AR6400D's value in real-world use. The Additives viscosity modifiers appear to work with both older and newer diesel formulations, supporting engine longevity under varying fuel qualities. When pitted against a leading rival like Optimax diesel additive, AR6400D delivers comparable injector protection with superior lubricity and cost efficiency. The pros include exceptionally strong lubricity-reducing wear, solid cost efficiency compared to rivals, and broad fuel compatibility across diesel grades. The cons include higher price point and limited availability in key markets, which may constrain procurement for some fleets. At number 2, we have the hotshot Secret EDT. From first glance, EDT appears aimed at serious diesel users who demand cleaner combustion and noticeable efficiency gains on daily routes. This initial impression is reinforced by a 32-ounce bottle designed for fleet refills or regular dosing by individual truck owners. The label clearly communicates dosage directions, compatibility notes, and safety cautions, reflecting thoughtful engineering and a consumer-friendly approach. In hand, EDT feels sturdy with a solid cap and graduations that are easy to read even in dim workshop light. Its linear bottle profile helps it stand upright in tool chests and engine compartments without tipping during transport. The build uses a durable plastic body with a reinforced neck and a leak-resistant nozzle to prevent drifts. Chemistry-wise, EDT integrates detergents, lubricants, and cetane enhancers in a balanced formulation tuned for modern common rail engines. A key standout feature is its compatibility with ULSD and bioblends without causing phase separation or injector deposits. Dosing guidance remains straightforward, with clear ratios aligned to gallon-based calculations that fleets or individuals can apply without math headaches. In field tests with a heavy hauler, EDT produced measurable fuel economy improvements and smoother idle under load. Across long hauls, drivers noted consistent torque delivery and reduced exhaust smoke, suggesting cleaner combustion and reduced fuel dilution. In repeated cold starts, users observed quicker crank times and less cranking resistance after even modest winter exposure. When stacked against Standardine performance formula, EDT shows faster integration, better lubricity, and comparable cetane improvement in similar engines. The pros include strong fuel lubricity, easy dosing with a stable bottle, and compatibility with common diesel blends. The cons include higher price and heavier bottle. At number 1, we have the hotshot Secret Diesel Extreme. From the moment you unbox it, the hotshot Secret Diesel Extreme exudes rugged practicality, appealing to truck owners seeking reliability. An approachable option for heavy-duty diesel users who want proven cleaner injectors and smoother starts under varied climates. The packaging includes a clearly labeled 16-ounce bottle that ferries into any toolbox with minimal space impact during quick refills. Build quality centers on a sturdy, impact-resistant HDPE bottle with a durable cap that seals tightly to prevent leaks during transport. Dimensions translate into easy mounting behind the seat or in a toolbox drawer without impeding other gear space. No special storage tools required for dosing. It blends cleanly with diesel fuel and requires no complex mixing steps. Contains high-purity polyethylamine detergents and lubricity enhancers that clean injectors, reduce varnish, and improve cetane performance too. Reduces buildup on fuel rails and system components under heavy loads, delivering more consistent boost and smoother idle across long highway stretches. In real-world testing, customers report quicker cold starts, fewer long cranks, and notably cleaner exhaust plumes after sustained use. Compared to conventional additives, Diesel Extreme offers improved lubricity, reduced fuel dilution, and a durable cetane lift across multiple tanks. It is compatible with both newer high-pressure common rail systems and older mechanically injected engines without risking chemical incompatibility. Always follow dosing guidelines based on fuel capacity and avoid mixing with incompatible cleaners to prevent potential fuel filter clogging. In head-to-head testing against Power Service Diesel Fuel Supplement, Diesel Extreme delivered faster cetane rise and more complete injector cleanliness. The pros include a strong cetane boost that accelerates ignition, noticeably cleaner injectors, and easy dosing that reduces user error in field applications. The cons include a higher price point than budget blends and the need for careful dosing to avoid overuse or waste.